Hey, welcome to a new episode of the House of the Nomad. Today we are the guest of Michael, who's living with his wife in a container home on the island Curacao. My name is Arnoud, and on this YouTube channel I'm searching for great alternatives because I also want to live in it. From a tiny house to living on a boat. If you want to join this journey, please subscribe. The house itself is created by a friend who is an architect. The couple itself helped by building the container home. After it was finished, they transported the container to this place and now they're full-time living in it. The house is smartly designed because there are little windows on the north side and big open spaces on the southern side. This creates a natural airflow, which also can be seen as an airco. To my surprise, it was pretty cool inside. One of the two containers is the sleeping area, with also a little bathroom, a good and simple design. It works well. Look at this view. Do you see yourself waking up here? Well, I do. The other container is the living room, with an open kitchen, also simple but good. I like it. And also a little place outside the house to enjoy the view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please subscribe. You help the channel a lot, and see you in the next video of the House of the Nomads. Bye bye.